Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on interactive brokers. Right now we are here on their website, and the first thing that you need to do is create an account and make sure that you verify that account. Then you will see a lot of information, and the only thing that we want to see is a chart and something that we can buy. So the first thing that you need to know is if you want to turn on some specific trading options, we need to go to options and then go to settings. And then right here, scroll down to trading permissions. Because most of the time, if you want to trade Bitcoin or other stuff, you need to enable it. And you can do that by clicking on request, do the following steps, and then after that, you enable that option. So right now we have just currency and forex and stocks enabled. So what we're gonna do right now is I will show you how to buy a stock. So if I search right here for Tesla, we can click here on Tesla Nasdaq and then click here on stock. And then right now he will send us to the chart right here. Then the thing that you need to know is you need to deposit money to your account, because otherwise you can't buy anything on interactive brokers. So the first thing that I need to tell you is if you want to deposit money to your account, do that right there in the beginning, or go to portfolio and put some money on your account. And then after that, what you're gonna do is quite simple. We click here on buy, and then this is the order ticket where we can start creating our position. So let's say we want one share of Tesla. We can also do this to USD, that you can fill in the amount of USD that you want to buy, but one share of Tesla is fine for now. You can fill in right here the order type, so limit order is fine for now. And then what we also can do is, if you scroll down, and I need to remove my camera a little bit for that, so like this. If you click right here on profit taker, you can decide right here the amount of balance that he needs to hit to take our profit. So let's say when he will hit 450, we make some 38 bucks, and then he will close our trade and will give us our money. And we can also do this for a stop loss. So this means that when the price is at 400, we lost $11. He will close our trade, so he will stop our losses. So right now, if you click on buy order, he's saying this, click on accept. And right now we just created an order right here. So this is how it works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.